Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures. What happens when a country is punished for wanting to stand on its own? When sanctions, imposed without agreement, silence innocent lives and choke progress. Today, millions suffer not because of war, but because of unfair restrictions placed on their nations. If you believe in justice, sovereignty, and the right of nations to thrive without coercion, share this video and stand against unilateral measures that harm innocent lives. But still, they rise. Still, they survive. And still, they hope. Stay tuned to the end, as we uncover the truth behind unilateral coercive measures, share stories of survival, and show how the world can stand for justice and dignity. Theme: Building Fairness and Justice by Ending Unilateral Coercive Measures. On the 16th of June 2025, the UN General Assembly adopted Resolution 79/293, declaring the 4th of December each year as the International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures, beginning in 2025. The day was created to raise awareness of the harm caused by sanctions and trade restrictions imposed by one country without global agreement. These unilateral measures often block access to food, medicine, education, and opportunity, hitting ordinary people hardest, especially in developing nations. Why this day matters for society and nation building. Unilateral coercive measures not only hurt economies, they delay progress, stunt innovation, and deepen inequality. When nations are cut off, their citizens lose more than trade, they lose dignity, health, and hope. By building global solidarity, pushing for fair rules, and supporting self-reliance, communities can break these barriers. In the long run, supporting nations under coercive pressure helps build a stronger, more inclusive world where every country can grow. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Stories of Impact. 1. Meet Fatima Saleh, a health worker from Sudan. For years, her clinic struggled to get basic medicine due to foreign sanctions. But with local support, Fatima led a project to train community members in herbal alternatives and first aid. Fatima, we didn't give up. When the doors closed, we opened our own. Now, people come to us for help, and we serve with pride. 2. Meet Ahmed Bello, a young entrepreneur from Syria who lost his import business due to trade restrictions. Instead of giving up, he started a local shoemaking brand, employing over 30 youths. Ahmed, sanctions tried to stop us. But we chose to create. Today, we are not just surviving, we are building. Thanking the unsung heroes, we honor the health workers, teachers, community leaders, and volunteers who quietly stand with those facing sanctions. Your hard work, kindness, and creativity often go unnoticed, but you carry communities forward. You are the silent pillars of resilience and hope. Thank you. A call to global leaders and civil society: if you have not yet joined the movement, this is your chance. It's time to stand for fairness over force. Speak against coercive measures, support affected communities, and work toward diplomacy, dialogue, and development. Every action, no matter how small, helps restore dignity and justice. Together, we can challenge injustice. Together, we can lift people, not punish them. Together, we build a future based on respect, law, and human rights. Happy International Day Against Unilateral Coercive Measures. United in justice, united for peace. A reminder: if you believe in justice, sovereignty, and the right of nations to thrive without coercion, share this video and stand against unilateral measures that harm innocent lives. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung hero, the caregivers, advocates, teachers, and volunteers who support persons with disabilities every single day. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. Today the 4th of December, International Day of Banks. The 5th of December, International Volunteer Day for Economic and Social Development. The 5th of December, World Soil Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.